How to reply to a user's comments under a post on Instagram. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video, we will learn how to customize responses to users who commented on your post. Could be a specific post or all posts. We can also send it to him direct message if it is necessary. The first step, go to the menu Smart Messenger. Here we choose Grow Tools and our tools Instagram Comments. This tools allows you to perform various actions when user replies to your Instagram post. In order to create your rules, click the button Create. Name your rules, for example, comments, one comment, and select the account. I select my one account and continue. In this menu, we can see how many messages were sent, how many were answered, and percent to our account when it is update these rules, and we can editing name and we can delete these rules. Okay, click the word comment. In this menu, opt-in settings. Using these Grow tools, you can send one direct message to the user and, if necessary, customize the response directly to the comments. You can restrict the execution of a rules using keywords condition in the Setup tab. If a user matches more than one rule, the first rule will be used. Okay guys, with these rules we can do two different scenarios. The first, we can reply for post, and second, we can send a message. I show you two setup now. Go the menu Setup, and here you can choose all posts, all live posts, or specific post. I choose a specific post. Select the post, and here I see all my posts on Instagram account. I choose one. My next step, these two menus you can leave empty, or you can use them if it is necessary for your goals. The first rule, exclude comments with these keywords. If the user writes comments hi or hello, we not send anything for this user. I leave this empty because I want to send my reply any comments, for example. And next rule, only trigger for comments with these keywords. For example, if I write here 100, this mean when user commented this specific post numbers 100, this rules will be work. And I leave this empty too, because I want that this rule work any comments under this post. Okay? And this menu you can reply in comments, and we create some text or word. For example, thanks, next, thanks for your comment, and a lot of different auto reply. Click the button Update. Continue. Now we have made the setting so that the person who comments on my specific post here, this post, will receive a reaction, this, any comments which he can leave. Okay guys? And the next step, I show you how it is possible set up another rules. We can add for these comments, but I want to create a new and show it you again. Okay, Instagram comments rules. Activate this. Activate it and create a new. Create name, for example, to. Select the my account to and continue. Click in the word commit, and the first step, we set up which comment. For example, I want all live posts, exclude comments with keywords, for example, hi and hello. Okay, and maybe I add some triggers. My trigger will be 100. And auto response reply. Here I don't want to write any reply. Okay, and update. What I want to do? I want then user comment. All my live posts 100 will be received in direct message. I go to add general, configure, and this I write my text for user. The first step should be short. We should transfer into the main funnel, and the first message should have a button to move to the next message, next step. It is necessary. It is our rules. Okay, automatically continue, and here I write, for example, if user comments my live post and I want to send some gift for him, I write here, the receiver gift, click on the next button. I copy the text, it's my button next. Okay, continue, and here we create our message chains or simply subscriber to the funnel. For example, it's possible to send a message. For example, I give some discount, or you can add perform actions. Choose this action and subscribe to funnel. I choose any funnel, for example. This. It is depends your goals and your scenarios. Okay, guys? And publish. Back to Grow Tools. Our rules. Activate. Go, and I explain again. All my live posts, if user comments 100, he will be receive message about my discount. User didn't receive any auto response. That is, we can configure several rules. First, if the user commented on the post, we can simply send auto replies to this post, or we can also send a message to direct. It is depend on your scenarios. Okay, guys, like and subscribe to our channels, then not missing our new lesson about how to create different scenarios for your chatbots. See you soon, guys.